Hi there, today I want to talk about absolute value equations. Absolute value equations are equations that the meaning of absolute value is, these lines right here tell us we have some number that its distance away from 0 is 30. So the number line, if you think about it, I know 30 is the distance of 0, and also negative 30 has a distance of 30. So that means that whatever's inside that absolute value lines, 4x plus 10 can either be here, or 4x plus 10 can be here. Instead of graphing, we're going to look at this algebraically, meaning we're going to solve the equation. Once we get to a point where these bars, absolute value bars, are by themselves, meaning nothing on the outside, then we do this step to where we say 4x plus 10 is either equal to 30 or 4x plus 10 is equal to negative 30. And then we solve for x and we get two values of x, and that will be our solutions. So minus 10, 4x is equal to 20, divide by 4, divide by 4, x is equal to 5. That's one solution. The other solution, minus 10, so 4x is equal to negative 40, divide by 4, divide by 4, x is equal to negative 10. With these, we always want to check our work. So check-in's pretty easy. Just plug it into the original equation. So this is going to be 4 times 5 plus 10, absolute value. So 4 times 5 is 20, plus 10 is 30. Absolute value of 30 equals 30. Check. Negative 10, so absolute value of 4 times negative 10 plus 10. 4 times negative 10 is negative 40, plus 10 is negative 30, but it's an absolute value, so that means that it's equal to 30. Check. So my two solutions are x equals 5 and x equals negative 10. Sometimes we have problems that have stuff on the outside, meaning here's my absolute value, but I have this negative 9 on the outside. If that's the case, all I have to do is solve for the absolute value first, and then do my two equations. So this is minus 9, so I'm going to add 9 to both sides. So I have the absolute value of b minus 7 is equal to 7. And then I have my absolute value, so I'm going to divide up into two parts. So this is b minus 7 equals 7, and b minus 7 equals negative 7. Solve both of them, plus 7. b equals 14, that's 7. b equals 0. Let's check it. So 14, absolute value of 14 minus 7 minus 9. 14 minus 7, absolute value is 7 minus 9. Well, absolute value of 7 is 7. 7 minus 9 is negative 2. Equals negative 2. Check. 0. So absolute value of 0 minus 7 minus 9. 0 minus 7 is negative 7 minus 9. Well, the absolute value of negative 7 is positive 7. Minus 9 is negative 2. Equals negative 2. And it checks. So my two solutions are 14 and 0. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Make sure you solve for the outside of the equations first, and then solve for the inside by making two lines to solve your equation. Thank you.